Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, we will start. May I request Ma'am Dulcie to read the attendance.
Good afternoon, everyone. For today's pre-bid conference, present are the following: BAC Chairperson, Assistant District Engineer Manuel D. Valles Jr.,
Present.
BAC Vice Chairperson, Engineer Juvie F. Paulican,
Present.
BAC Provisional Member, Engineer Reynaldo S. Emeterio, BAC Secretariat Head, Engineer Normayo Gabang, BAC Secretariat Member Yusuli Dulce Amor Soledad. We also have presenters from the Planning and Design Section, Engineer Jason A. Aleria,
Present.
Engineer Sharif Noor A. Muhammad, and from Maintenance Section, Engineer Ralph Noel L. Sibunga.
Present.
And present also this afternoon is the liaison officer of ZJN Corporation, Miss Jade Dorado. That's all, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Dulce. Since we are in quorum, so let us proceed. Good afternoon once again. Today's proceeding is the pre-bid conference of 7 civil works project. Okay, we'll start the presentation. We'll present first maintenance.
Good afternoon, everyone. The first project to be presented is the repair and maintenance of DILG Building, National Police Commission, PNP, Police Regional Office 10, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office sa Dangkagan Municipal Police Station, located at Poblacion, Dangkagan, Bukidnon. So the project description, the contract name is repair and maintenance of DILG Building, National Police Commission, PNP, Police Regional Office 10, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, Dangkagan Municipal Police Station. Project location is at Barangay Poblacion, Dangkagan, Bukidnon. Approved budget of the contract is 1,100,000. Project duration 98 calendar days. Major category of work, BIR buildings, repair. Similar category of work, MBG, maintenance of building. So the scope of works for the major repair of the buildings includes removal and replacement of the damaged doors, ceilings, plumbing fixtures, storm drains, floor and wall tiles, repainting of exterior walls, front, then repainting of the detention cell grills, installation of glass windows at 3rd floor. So contract quantities, first item is the project billboard signboard, 2 each. Next is the occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. Storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. Plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. Ceiling, 63.36 square meters. PVC doors and frames, 4.41 square meters. Glazed tiles and trims, 28.35 square meters. Unglazed tiles, 13.29 square meters. Painting works, masonry and concrete, 119.02 square meters. Painting works for wood, 326.21 square meters. Painting works for steel, 104.67 square meters. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Aluminum glass windows, sliding type, 20.87 square meters. Aluminum glass windows, fixed type, 56.56 square meters. Equipment required, none. Thank you. Then for the next project, is the repair and maintenance of DILG Building, National Police Commission, Police Regional Office 10, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, 2nd Provincial Mobile Force Company, located at Barangay Pinamaloy, Don Carlos, Bukidnon. Contract name, repair and maintenance of DILG building, National Police Commission PNP, Police Regional Office 10, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, 2nd Provincial Mobile Force Company, located at Barangay Pinamaloy, Don Carlos, Bukidnon. Approved budget of the contract is 1.5 million. Project duration 98 calendar days. Major category of work is repair. Similar category of work, maintenance of buildings. So scope, balik. Major repair of buildings includes repairs sa ceiling, installation of tiles in first and second floor, repair of plumbing works, electrical works, provision of partitions, paintings and repaintings on second floor, provisions of additional septic vault, repair of gutters and downspout, repair of kitchen sink, and provision of air conditioning unit at first floor. Contract quantities, first is project billboard or signboard, 2 each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. Structure excavation, 1.13 cubic. Gravel fill, 0.16 cubic. Structural concrete, 0.22 cubic. Reinforcing steel, 7.02 kilograms. Formworks and false works, 10.8 square meters. Doors, wood panel, 10.08 square meters. PVC doors and frames, 5 sets. Painting works, 206.98 square meters. Painting works, wood, 544.3 square meters. Fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26 flashing, 28 linear meters. Fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 24 gutters, 36.04 linear meter. CHB load bearing including reinforcing steel, 100 mm, 10.28 square meters. Cement plaster finish, 14.62 square meters. Ceiling, 4.5 mm, 58.56 square meters. Carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum. Glazed tiles and trims, 127.92 square meters. Unglazed tiles, 18.92 square meters. Synthetic granite tiles, 5.78 square meters. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Sewer line works, 1 lump sum. Storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. Septic vault, 1 lump sum. Plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. Cold water lines, conduits, wares and wiring devices, lighting fixtures, and air conditioning unit, 1 lump sum. So the equipment requirements are backhoe, 1 unit, plate compactor, 1, dump truck, 1, and 1 bagong mixer. So that's all for the maintenance project, sir.
Nada sa first drive. Kanang pinilayan. PDF lang. Okay, PDF. So yan rin. So, good afternoon once again. The next project that I'm going to present is the construction of Farm to Mill Road, Barangay Pinilayan, Phase 2 to Barangay Santa Cruz, Quezon, Bukidnon. So, the project is located approximately 29 kilometers from this district engineering office to project site. So, the approved budget for the contract is 24,875,000. With a total project duration of 195 calendar days. So the scope of works includes concreting of 1,120 meters or 2.24 lane kilometer PCCP road with a 6.1 meter roadway width of 280 mm thick and a shoulder of 1 meter width in both sides and thickness of 200 mm. It includes earthworks and subgrade preparation with application of pavement markings also. And also we have here installation of cross drainages, one line of 10 pieces nga 910 mm diameter with pipe and structures like head wall with wing wall and apron. So these are our typical roadway sections at our project. We have section with ditch on both side, and sa atong structure is cross drainage lang pipe culvert. Then for our summary of quantities, we have here construction of field office for the engineer. And for other general requirements, we have project billboard, occupational safety, traffic management, and mobilization. And for earthworks, quantities natay individual removal of trees nga 7 kabok, clearing and grabbing nga outside sa ato ang existing road natay mga i-clearing nga mga sagbot, considering a 5-meter clearing area outside the existing road. Surplus excavation, structure excavations para sa to ang cross drainages, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, and subgrade preparation. And for our sub-base course, we have here 200, item 200, aggregate sub-base course. Then our surface course natay 280 mm thick nga PCCP. Included na diri ang roadway pavement o katong widening sa to mga curves. Then for our drainage structures, natay reinforcing steel grade 40, structural concrete class A para sa to ang mga pipe end structures, and pipe culvert para sa to ang cross drainage. Then for miscellaneous structures natay kaning seedlings na to aning i-turnover na to sa DNR. So natay 700 ka buok kay since natay gi-remove nga 7 nga trees, provide tag 700 ka seedlings. Then for other provision natay thermoplastic pavement markings, white and yellow marks. 7. So for other facilities for the engineer and other general requirements natay program mo ni atong mga specifications. So descriptions, the COA billboards and DPWH billboard duha sa beginning at end. Occupational safety and health program, ano siya itong mga items, labor personnel safety and practitioner, health practitioner, and sa itong mga PPEs. Then traffic management plan, we have based on DO13 sa traffic management layout, we have used modified layout number 4, part lane closure, 2-lane, two-way road, low speed, low volume, and long-term construction. Then for major and minor item specifications, we have here clearing and grabbing. The quantity covers a total width of 5 meters, 2.5 meter each and roadside to cover the 10-meter clear road right-of-way limits, considering 3 kilometers away from project disposal site. Surplus common excavation, structure excavations para sa itong cross drainage, embankment from roadway excavation, subgrade preparation, and aggregate sa base course na to. Quarry source na to is Sugod, Valencia, Bukidnon, considering a hauling distance of approximately 44 kilometers away from material source to project location. Then our PCCP, we have here 280 mm thick. The quantity indicated is for paving of carriageway and curb widening at specified locations. And we used here ready-mix concrete. Used mechanized joint sealer machine for sealing the construction joints. The hauling distance considered is 44 kilometers away. And reinforcing steel grade 40 sa tanang mga reinforced concrete structures. Structural concrete class A sa itong mga head walls, wing walls, and apron. Pipe culverts class 2 RCPC 910 mm diameter para sa ito ang cross drainage, and lastly sa ito mga pavement markings, white and yellow marks. So white na to is sa itong road edges and broken white center lines sa straight line. Then yellow marks na to para sa itong mga horizontal curve lines sa itong alignment. So that would be all sa ito ang pinilayan nga phase 2 nga FMR.
Good afternoon, everyone. For our next project, we have construction of Farm to Mill Road of Lovelock Farm, Villa Ocaya, Kuya, Maramag, Bukidnon. Contract ID 24KB0119. Project name and location, construction of Farm to Mill Road of Lovelock Farm, Villa Ocaya, Kuya, Maramag, Bukidnon. Approved budget for the contract, 19,978,468.17 pesos. Project duration 180 calendar days. Source of fund GAA 2024 DA SRA. So ang atong project location kay makita ninyo diri ang Road. Kung diri nga side padulong tag Poblacion Maramag, then kung pa left side ta Pangantukan Bukidnon. So ang atong beginning sa project kay na diri nga junction. So this is 27.6 kilometers from our office. Scope of works, concreting of 1,624 meter road with gravel shoulder and installation of RCPCs with pipe and structures. So these are the geotag photos. So for our summary of quantities, we have facilities for the engineer, construction of field office for the engineer, other general requirements, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization or demobilization. For our earthworks, we have individual removal of trees, small 150 to 300 millimeter diameter, surplus common excavation, structure excavation, pipe culvert and drain excavation, embankment from roadway structure excavation, subgrade preparation. For our subbase and base course, we have aggregate subbase course, surface course, Portland cement concrete pavement, and for our drainage and slope protections, we have reinforcing steel, structural concrete, and pipe culverts 910 millimeter diameter. And for our miscellaneous structure, we have seedlings or saplings for the other program or initiatives. As shown are the equipment requirement for this project. For our next project, we have construction of farm to mill road, Tos J Block Farm, Sarayon Hills, Kuya, Maramag, Bukidnon. Project description, project name and location, construction of farm to mill road, Tos J Block Farm, Sarayon Hills, Kuya, Maramag, Bukidnon. Approved budget for the contract, 8,562,200.65 pesos. Project duration, 120 calendar days. Source of fund, GAA 2024 DA SRA. So, sa itong project location, approximately 29.10 kilometers away from our office. Dire makita kaya pa ng katong project ganina, katong Ofla Block Farm, supposed to be sumpay raon ta ni siya nga project. Kaso pag meeting gapon ang naitabo na bali lang ang beginning, diri na ta sumpay sa existing PCCP. So napa ni siya bit bulletin o kamulo pa po ng plano ani.
Excuse me. How much is the approved ABC?
8,562,200.65.
The approved budget of the contract as served in the notice of the back meeting is 29,700,000.
$8,562,200.65 pesos.
Okay, you continue.
These are the geotag photos for this project.
So sa tong mga projects is napatay mga bid bulletin na to, sir. Nga i-submit kay na pa yung mga corrections sa mga as per plan, mga changes. So that will be all sa tong koya nga mga FMR projects.
Before we proceed with the presentation of last project, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Police Officer Cabrera of Dangcagan Municipal Police Station joining us through Zoom. Welcome, sir, to our pre-bid conference. Sir, good afternoon once again. Na-discuss na ba namo, sir, ang katong sa repair sa inyong building? Yes, sir, good afternoon. Kanang sir, na-discuss na ra ba to ang repair sa inyong building? Mao'y first gi-discuss sa ato ang conference this afternoon. Ang kanang atong gikandak karon, sir, is procurement pa man. So after sa award of contract and notice award of contract ay na dayon, but before na mahitabo, sir, i-inform man pud mo ang inyong officer. Okay, you're welcome, sir. Thank you for joining.
Good afternoon once again. So I will be discussing 24 KB 0196 or construction of Junction Cherry Highway, Junction Bukidnon Davao City Road, Cotabato Boundary, Barangay Sampagar to Purok 6, Sitio Lagasan, Barangay Sampagar Road, Damulog Bukidnon Package 1. So na siya approve budget for the contract nga 34,300,000 ABC. So gikan sa kuan kining location of the project is Barangay Sampagar, Damulog Bukidnon. So along siya atong na ay straw protection na dako pasulod sa Sitio Lagasan. So nani siya length na 1.5 kilometers or 3,000 linear meter. Then nani siya box culvert along one location to 2.1 by 3 by 14 box culvert cause drainage. Then one location of RCPC 11 ay 1 by 0.910 mm by 11 meter RCPC cross drainage. So atong length sa atong road is 3.01. Then natay shoulder na 1.5 meters. So along. So ang thickness sa atong road is 0.230 meters. Then so jutog pictures. So karon is kanang kamulo pa ni siya og settle ang first na kining along the entrada sa atong project kay murag kuan mo kini siya private road. But ang kuan naman daw ang LGU ang kapitan na daw bahala tog kuan settle sa right of way nga problem. So kining nana siya existing nga kalahi nga concreting ato lang siyang gilabyan atong gigap. Then that's all for this project. Yes, ma'am. So from the beginning, ma'am, is 1.5 kilometer pero ato ning igap ang kuan kining kalahi na concreting dili lang siya tandugon. So any questions? Next project. Saan pa exit? So next project is 24 KB 0197. Under SRA project, construction of Farm to Mill Road, Barangay San Jose, Phase 3 to Wadi, Quezon, Bukidnon. So, sorry. 198 eh. So project number 3. 24 KB 0198. So, nana siya approved budget for the contract nga 17,412,500. So umpayran ni siya sa kuan phase 1 ug phase 2 na wadi concreting. Then mo junction na siya dito sa concrete padulong sa etong wadi na kuan, tong wadi na barangay wadi na katong concrete road. So, scope of work is construction of Farm to Market Road, DCP, with a specified thickness of 0.28 meters and width of 6.1 meters or 3.05 meters per lane, and the length of, so dili ni siya 2 lane km kay namitingan naman kahapon kang mayor nakaturang isa ka section. So ang length ra ani is 756 meters. Kay dili naman niya ipaapelo kon kitong pikas na section. So gibali unta duha ni siya ka section. Kay mara siyang paway. Mara siyang kanang paway siya diri pero kindire unta na siya ay makita ba? Napa na siya ay section B din pero dili na rin pa-appeal ni Mayor sa Quezon. So, focus lang yan ng section A. So, it has an incorporation of gravel shoulder along the entire length, then 1.5 meter width, then rehabilitation of RCPC 46 inches and 36 inches on specific locations. So, kining 48 inches RCPC is ilisan ni siya og box culvert nga 3 by 2.1 meters. So, wala akong file. Then, that's all for this project. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Presenter. Kung wala question. So, is there a move for
Thank
the
you.
adjournment of this pre-bid conference?
Mr. Chair, before we adjourn,
Okay.
may we know when is the deadline of the submission of the bid bulletin? Ma'am Norms?
Depende sa planning. Okay, ba?
Wala pa man tayo schedule sa opening of bids noon, ani, pero I think natin deadline sa submission sa bid bulletin. Okay, so I move for the adjournment of this opening of bids. Pre-bid conference rather.
So, it has been moved and seconded that this pre-bid conference is adjourned at exactly 2:55 p.m. Thank you, presenters.